The Universal Infinity Drain provides design-centric decorative options with an innovative installation method that is compatible with every type of waterproofing. The channel is available in PVC and ABS. The complete kit includes one channel, 2 clamping collars, number 1032 clamping screws, and 4 1/4" 20 leveling screws. Locate the intended position for the linear drain by measuring the desired space and marking the center location for the drain outlet. Make a hole at the marked location for the drain outlet using a 3.5-inch hole saw. This drain can be connected to a 2-inch or 3-inch nominal pipe. Lay water-resistant paper over the subfloor, staple into place, and make a cutout for the outlet hole. Then lay wire lath, staple into place, and make a cutout for the outlet hole in preparation for the primary mortar bed. Place the drain channel into position and ensure it is level using the leveling screws under the channel. Turn each leveling screw counterclockwise to raise the drain and clockwise to lower. Ensure the drain is parallel to the wall, then connect the waistline to the outlet of the drain channel using the appropriate primer and glue. Spread a layer of dry pack mortar around the drain and up to the flange of the linear drain channel, ensuring all areas under and around the channel are backfilled. Then spread mortar across the intended shower area while keeping a consistent pitch towards the drain channel. Consult your local code for the appropriate degree of pitch. Allow the mortar bed to dry overnight. If not already removed, remove the stainless steel clamping collar by unscrewing each screw and set aside. Install BACKERBOARD directly to the framing, ensuring the BACKERBOARD makes contact with the mortar bed floor. If using a fabric waterproofing, lay the waterproofing membrane over the shower area and drain. Mark the screw hole locations of the channel onto the membrane. Using a utility knife, carefully pierce the waterproofing membrane at each screw hole of the drain channel and cut out a 3/16" diameter hole for each screw. Apply thin-set mortar or an adhesive recommended by the waterproofing manufacturer over the mortar bed. Then apply appropriate adhesive that is provided by the waterproofing manufacturer on the flanges of the drain channel. Lay the waterproofing membrane over the adhesive on the channel and mortar bed. Press the membrane into the adhesive and remove excess thinset from under the waterproofing membrane in accordance with the manufacturer's instructions. Screw on the clamping collar to the linear drain channel using the number 1032 screws by hand using a screwdriver. Do not over-tighten. Cut out the waterproofing membrane that is over the inside of the drain channel, using a utility knife if using fabric waterproofing. Note that there are 2 clamping collars provided in each kit, 1/2 inch in height that can be used with the tile edge facing upwards or downwards, and 1 inch in height. Confirm the finished tile thinset thickness before choosing. In most cases, the 1/2 inch high clamping collar will work for a liquid or fabric waterproofing installation. Continue applying the fabric or liquid applied waterproofing membrane to the shower walls and seal any seams as per the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure that the tile height will be accommodated with the clamping collar used. Then apply thinset mortar directly over the waterproofing using the appropriate trowel, then lay floor tile, ensuring the finished floor is flush with the top of the clamping collar, unless using the clamping collar with the tile edge facing downwards. After the floor is dry, apply thinset mortar to the vertical walls and set the wall tile into thinset. Once dry, grout all tile joints. Place the decorative grate or tile insert into the channel and adjust the leveling feet so the grate sits flush with the finished floor.